The Eris Protocol has enabled its staking function on the Luna Classic chain. The protocol allows for greater staking rewards through several features. Most importantly, the system takes advantage of arbitrage opportunities on Terra Luna Classic. Those gains are added to your reward pool. This increases your overall returns from staking compared to directly staking through a validator. In this video, I am going to show you how to stake using the Eris Protocol in a few simple steps. However, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before using Eris. Welcome back to the Terra Luna Classic chat channel. We give daily updates and news about Terra Classic that matters to you. Subscribe to this channel to stay informed. A link to the Eris Protocol website is in the description of this video. When you first access the website, you will see this warning. Please take note of the following. Eris Protocol has not been fully audited by software security firms and possesses major risks of complete and permanent economic loss. They also state that you should use this protocol at your own risk. For my investment style, nothing venture, nothing gained. However, I am less of a fool than I was in the past. Full disclosure, I have staked on Eris Protocol at this point, but it represents 10% of the LUNC I had available for staking. Next, accept that you understand the risk and then launch the protocol. On the main landing page, you will see a navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Highlighted by the red arrow, notice that this is the mainnet for the Luna 2.0 version of Eris. It is currently the default version. In order to switch this over to the Terra Classic chain, you have to connect your Terra Station wallet to the Eris Protocol. However, before you connect, go over to your Terra Station wallet and ensure it is set to the Classic network. Now click Connect Wallet. You will receive this pop-up. From here, select Terra Station Wallet. At the next screen, you will see your wallet amounts and the option to stake your LUNC or to add to the AMP LUNC LP pool. Enter the amount of LUNC you would like to stake or the amount of LP tokens you wish to pool. Then select Stake if you are staking LUNC or select Provide if you are adding to the LP pool. At this point, you are done. The Eris Protocol stands to offer significant returns on staking. However, before you stake, review their entire website and their documentation. Make an informed decision with your hard-earned money. If you plan to give Eris Protocol a try, type ERIS in the comments below. If this brief tutorial has been helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Also, turn on that notification bell for future videos. Until next time, take care.